This is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE Exynos model. In this video, let's see the camera performance in both daytime and nighttime conditions along with video samples as well. Let's start. First, I'll share the camera specs at a glance. The main camera on the back side is a 50 megapixel with aperture of f1.8. The second camera is an 8 megapixel telephoto lens camera with an aperture f2.4. The third camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with a field of view of 123 degrees and aperture of f2.2. On the front, it's a 10 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.4. You can record 4K videos with the front camera and 8K 24 fps with the back camera. I will share those samples in between this video. These are the photos taken in outdoor conditions during the daytime. You can click photos by zooming up to 30x. The least is 0.6x where the wide angle lens is used. The first image is shot at 0.6x, the next one at 1x, then 3x, the next 10x, 20x and finally 30x. You can observe the overall dynamic range followed by the colors it produces. In almost all Samsung mobiles, photo colors are boosted, pleasing the eyes. Talking about the quality of the photos, these are looking great. I don't have any complaints apart from the 30x zoom photo. These are not that great. Of course, if you zoom in, you won't get that clarity. You can click 50 megapixel photo as well, but you won't get the ultra wide angle lens option for this because these two are different cameras. In the camera app, you can make a lot of changes like changing the aspect ratio, timer, filters for scenes, faces and many more. These are the photos taken with the front facing camera. Even though this is a 10 megapixel, the photos in daytime conditions are good. You can get an option to zoom in slightly for the selfies. Also, we get a portrait option for the front camera and here is the photo of that. The edge detection is good. Even for the front camera, image colors are a little boosted. The camera interface is also good in this S23 FE. Unlike all other Samsung mobiles, you get all the options here like Pro Photo Mode, Video Mode, Portrait Mode, Time Lapse, Slow Motion and more. The app is very user friendly and easily understandable once you read and use that feature. Whether everyone uses these options? Not exactly. Are these options useful? Definitely. You can record videos maximum at 8K 24 fps from the back camera and 4K 60 fps from the front camera. Under the 30,000 rupees price range category, there is a huge space for the brands that supports 4K 60 fps for the front camera. This is a game changer for those who want mobile for content creation. Now let's have a look at the video samples recorded in daytime conditions. Hey guys, right now the video is recording in 8K 24 fps. This is the maximum frame rate you can record in this mobile, and you can observe the stabilization as well as the audio quality, how it looks and hears like. If in case you want, you can zoom maximum to 6x in 8K video mode. This is going to be a good thing guys because 6x zoom is pretty cool. So this is in 1x. If in case you want, you can click the photos, but you cannot shift from front to back or back to front. Right now I'm walking. You can observe the stabilization as well. This is the video recording in 4K 30 fps, and you can observe how the sound quality as well as the video quality looks like. Also, I'm walking in my terrace. You can observe the stabilization as well. If you want, you can zoom from 0.6x all the way up to 12x in S23 FE. I'm getting confused these days because I'm using the S20 FE for more than 2 years now. So if in case I pronounce wrongly, please forgive me. So yeah, this is how the video quality looks like. If you want, you can front to back or back while recording the video, and even you can click the photos as well, so you can observe the clouds and everything there. In the mobile, we also get super steady video recording, which is useful for those who want steady footage while walking or running. Now let's have a look at the video recorded with the front camera. This is the video recording by using front facing camera in S23 FE, and you can observe how the video quality like, and recording in 4K 30 fps guys, and there is no screen flash option is available for video recording, and you cannot zoom in or zoom out. Talking about the features in the gallery, we get all the things unlike all other Samsung Galaxy mobiles. Also, this mobile has AI features as well, which is an added benefit. I'm not talking more about these AI features now. You can find many videos on YouTube about this. In the gallery app, we get all other customizations that we usually see in other Samsung flagship mobiles. You can make many adjustments for photos and videos. Now it's time to check the nighttime capabilities of these cameras. These are the photos taken in nighttime conditions. We also get a dedicated night mode option for the photos. I will compare those in a bit. If you zoom beyond 3x and click photos, you observe a lot of noise in the picture. Even for other photos as well, the noise is there, but you observe only after zooming in. So that means you get noise in the pictures during the nighttime photos. You won't get any dedicated flashlight for the front facing camera, but instead of that, you get the screen flash. These are the photos taken with the screen flash in pitch dark condition. This mobile has a dedicated night mode option. These are the photos with and without that night mode option. Frankly speaking, I don't see any major or huge differences in between these two pictures. Some areas like the top of the building on the left side and the greenery in the middle are a little better in the night mode photo. Now let's have a look at the video samples during nighttime conditions from back and front cameras. Okay, I make it very short. So this is the video recording in S23 FE by using the front facing camera in pitch dark conditions. You can observe the video quality. I mean, it's nothing because we don't have any screen flash option for video recording. So it's kind of drawback. In Pixel mobiles, we get that option. While recording videos in daytime conditions, I noticed the camera area was getting warmer and slight discomfort in holding the mobile. This is normal in almost all mobiles. If you're recording videos in 8K, this mobile is going to be more warmer. Note that I didn't use any package during this entire camera testing. Finally, here is the camera verdict of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE. The cameras in S23 FE are performing well for the price that we are paying. Especially the videos are looking stunning in this mobile. Talking about the features, yes, there are many and even AI features are enabled on this. Next, the photo department is good until you are clicking photos in good lighting conditions. Even during the night times, if you are clicking at 1x or maximum 3x, the photos are good with overall sharpness and color balance. If you click beyond this zoom level, you notice noise in the pictures. Even for videos also, this is applicable. Talking about the 8K video, you can record, but none of the people watch videos on 8K most of the time. The maximum they watch right now is 4K. Overall, this S23 FE mobile camera is good for this price. Coming to my usage, I click photos during daytime and record videos in 4K format. For this type, this mobile fits perfectly without any compromise. If you're a content creator or a person searching for the best mobile for videos and photos, followed by good software experience and extra features, this Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is a good and great choice for you. I already started recording a video comparing this S23 FE with the Google Pixel 7a. I'll post those videos soon in the upcoming days, because if you see the price, both mobiles are almost close to each other. If in case you are watching this video lately, check that video on this channel or else in the description box or in the comments pinned section. These are the other videos related to this S23 FE apart from cameras. Click any of the video if you want to know more about this mobile before purchasing.